Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to show or hide Outlook reading pane disappeared. Open the Outlook app there, go to the menu, View. Click on Reading Pane. In the options, click on Off. You can see that the reading pane is hidden in Outlook. Again, click on Reading Pane and this time choose right or bottom to access the pane again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.